Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tasha from Kandi Koated, back with another Halloween glam tutorial. So let's get into it. Before I begin my makeup routine, I moisten my lips with one of our attempted lip balm from Kandi Koated. It's called Hint of Attitude and it's serving all of the attitude you need for this look. This particular shade is called Rent Free and it is a cute cherry red with a little pink undertones in it. Then I move on to adding my concealer, and we do have a concealer called Finesse, and the shade is called Truffle, which is a dark cool chocolate kind of tone. I add the concealer around the dark circles around my eye, and I add like a little triangle just so I can ensure full coverage. But I want to get all up in the dark areas over my face or around my face just so that I can maximize that coverage. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of eye primer just to prep my eyelids for the beautiful eyeshadow I'm about to apply in a few moments. And the thing I love most about being a Kandi Koated consultant is I don't have to be an MUA, just a girl who loves to play in makeup. Now I'm going to apply some foundation on my face, just to blend everything together. The concealer, the foundation, just blend everything together so I can have that flawless look. I do like a circular motion, and I actually like to go along the hairline because I hate that two-tone look, like your skin is one shade but your hairline is a brighter shade. I hate that, so I do a nice circular motion, rub it all in, let the skin soak up that goodness, and get a good blend. And just a reminder, I'm not an MUA, so don't expect for me to go in no particular order at all. Don't come for me in these YouTube streets, okay? Let me just blend my makeup the way I want to blend it. This is a tutorial, so, take it as you may. But I'm looking good, so you want to follow this tutorial too, and let it do what it do. Another great thing about being a Kandi Koated consultant is that I get the opportunity to have fun playing in makeup while making funds. And if you're interested in playing in makeup with me and your friends, drop down in the comments and let me know. I could set up this fun party experience and you get to try out all of the Kandi Koated Cosmetics, have fun, fall in love with them, and look good at the same time. Almost all of the items featured in this tutorial is from Kandi Koated Cosmetics, so let me know which item are you interested in, and I will also leave the links in the description box. Now Kandi Koated has its own makeup brushes. There's 7 brushes in this cute little case, and it has some nice affirmations on each brush. But first, let's focus on our eyebrow liner called Raise Some Brows. And the color that I have is dark black or black coffee. Now, on other people's videos, I noticed that they are gluing down their eyebrows and then painting it over, but I didn't have time for all of that, and I just wanted to keep my natural eyebrows and just accentuate that. So I start from the end of the eyebrow and then work my way towards the nose, adding a little strokes in to fill in the spaces in my eyebrow, but I just really wanted to be able to define my natural eyebrows in a nice way to give myself that storm look. And as you can see on the other side of the eyebrow liner, there's a brush to help you blend in all of the nice colorful strokes that you put in your eyebrows. Make it more well defined, well manicured, and as you can see, the eyebrows is popping. Then I get my eyeliner from Kandi Koated, and I kind of trace a line along the base of the eyelid and kind of make my cat eyeliner. Is that what you call it? The cat eyeline effect? But I'm going to just go over it with my liquid eyeliner. So I wanted to do something a little bit different and add a little pop of color. So with my liquid eyeliner called Provocative, it's on the Kandi Koated site, I got the color called Phew Child, which is a nice vibrant purple color. And I chose this just to give it that oomph that my storm look needs, and give it that nice electrifying color to my eyes. And as you know, Storm has that electric thing coming out of the eyes when she taps into her power, and that's what I want for this look, to really tap into my power. Okay. I love how this eyeliner makes my eyes pop. Now it's time for the eyeshadow, and this one is called Throwing Shades. The actual palette is called Desert Roses, and it's just a compilation of different shades of brown, from the pale, light, electrifying ivory shade all the way to like a deep chocolate shimmery color. So I'm going to add the ivory highlights to the corners of my eye, a little bit along the base of the eyelid, the upper, and a little bit on the lower eyelid. And then I'm going to bring some up towards the base of my eyebrow, just to bring that illumination up, because we are trying to get that fierce lightning look that Storm possesses. So I'm going to start light and then work my way dark and then come right back, and then I'm going to blend it all together. So you're going to see how this comes together. So trust me, I know you may be thinking, I don't know about all this, but trust me, I got you. So like I said, going towards the dark, I'm going to put it on the outside of the outer lid and work my way inward. So, you know, we're going to blend this together, and you can see that, you know, there's a little pop of color coming in, and it's going to work so seamlessly. So next, I'm going to move to the medium shade of brown. They're all shimmery, and this is the perfect touch for the Storm look. And, you know, just continue to dab and blend and move it all around with our magnificent Kandi Koated makeup brush. So this is coming together so well. I am feeling myself right now. Okay. I'm grabbing my bronzer brush because I'm going to add our luminous, or the illuminating powder, onto my look Look at that gold shimmery powder. Ooh, it's going to be a nice touch. So I'm just going to get a little bit, start with the cheekbones. Brighten that up. Then do the bridge of my nose. Let's do the forehead, the chin. You know what? I'm just going to blend this all over my face because I am stormed tonight. And I'm trying to tap into that lightning shimmery powder. Let's get into it. This is coming out so well. And you know what? I decided I wanted to add some metallic to the eyelids. So I'm getting our liquid metallic eyeshadow from Kandi Koated Cosmetics called Luster. It's a pale shimmery silver gray, and this will be a great added touch to the eyelids. And I'm just going to blend all of this together so that I have that illuminating look to the eyes. If you like what you see so far in my videos, please do me a favor and like this video. Follow me or subscribe to my channel and share this video to other people who loves makeup. Now, in order to have that storm look, you got to tap into that nude lippy. Now, I'm a chocolate girl, so of course I'm going to get a chocolate lipstick. And this one is Sweet Cocoa Kisses from Kandi Koated. It is a nice, warm, sweet chocolate brown matte lipstick. And yeah, this makes my lips even look better and juicier and kissable. And I'm really tapping into my storm. So let me just blend this all together. And I got one more step for you guys. And this is going to be fun. So I got my Spirit Halloween paint that I had from, just laying around. And I'm going to add like little lines of lightning bolts coming out of my eyes, because you know how storm gets, right? And I'm turning into storm. Okay, so just add as much or as little as you want, depending on your mood, what type of hair or wig are you putting on. And then I'm just going to go over my eyebrows one more time because I got a little paint over it. So I want to make sure my eyebrows is nice and defined. Now that my makeup is done, it's time for me to finalize my full transformation. Transform from a girl with locks to a girl with white hair. Oh my gosh. So what I do is just do like 2 long braids and pin it up to the back. A good tip is when you're pinning it up, you put one braid kind of in the middle and pin it to the middle of your head, and the other braid kind of in the back of your head. That way it doesn't leave like a big lump in the back of your wig, if you understand. Well, you're going to see, because this is a blooper. So I pinned my hair up wrong, and you're going to see, and I really detest that. So I had to go back and fix it. Sorry I didn't redo the video in order for you to see all of that, but I did redo my wig, so I just wanted to give you that tip. Now that I have that pinned up, I'm going to add a couple of wig caps onto my head to protect my locks. Okay, so now it's time for the final step. I got my wig. Let me comb it a little bit. Take care of it. You know, we got to take care of our hair. And this one is so cute. I like it. It got that nice little blunt cut to it. I got a little bang. So Storm is a little spicy tonight. I'm somebody's Auntie Storm. Okay. But let's see what it look like. What it do. What it do. Oh. 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 Hold up. Hold up. Let me fix it. Hold up. Oh. Yes. Hold up. Okay. Now, it's been a long time since I've actually seen myself in regular tresses like this, since I've been locking my hair over 10 years now. Yeah, it's been that long. So, you know, this is my first time, but she's feeling cute. She's feeling like she ate that, left no crumbs. Okay. You better work it. You better work it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think of the look, of the makeup tutorial, of this new wig that I got on? Alright, let me do a 360. Please do not mind the bump in the back of my head. I told you guys I fixed it, okay? Trust me when I say I fixed it. But I think I look cute. Wait a second. Wait. Alright, but you ain't get the full effect yet, okay? So let me do this transformation real quick, okay? Like, you ain't ready yet. You ain't ready yet. Bam! Ew, 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 ew. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling myself. Auntie Storm's coming for you. You can't tell me nothing now. You can't tell me nothing.